Promo beads.
Promo beads?
Promo beads.
Promo beads?
Promo beads.
Promo beads?
Yes, promo beads.
What are promo beads?
Promo beads, or promotional quality beads, are also known as commercial or C-grade beads. Promo beads were originally introduced by Fire Mountain Gems and Beads so jewelry manufacturers could offer modest jewelry at an affordable price. And it's true, you can make beautiful jewelry with promo beads. The only trade-off for incredible affordability is an occasional bead with some flat spots or mild irregularities in the drilling, which can actually come in handy sometimes. Promo beads work great as fillers or spacers, and you have lots of design choices because they're available in a variety of colors, materials, and sizes. Fill up a shopping cart with these affordable beads. Visit us at firemountaingems.com and select promo beads in the left navigation menu under Beads. Or just click the link in the description. Go ahead, give promo beads a try.